Hi everyone, it's Miss Dana from Locust Art, and this week we're going to eat your art for breakfast. So grab everything you normally would to make pancakes, but also grab food coloring and squeeze bottles if you have it. If you don't, just use measuring cups and add the desired amount of color to different amounts of batter in different cups. I had a couple squeeze bottles and I used one measuring cup for blue. I made an abstract design and I just patiently waited to make sure all of the areas were ready to be flipped. I picked quite a hard design, but the great thing about pancakes is we can make more than one, so we can create many different designs for breakfast. I can't wait to see what you come up with, and please share it with me if you do make some. Stay tuned with Locust Street Art for more classes, and you can see them all right on our website, www.locuststreetart.org.